Okay, welcome back to this channel, guys. To those that are yet to subscribe, if you know you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at AUD USD for this week, right? First, we would have to start with the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. I want you to actually pay attention, stick to the end, so you would understand this movement and why we'll be moving such way this week. First, if you have to start with this movement, you can see that this movement started since 2020, September 2020, and you can see that this AUD USD is actually on a down movement. That is, it is a bearish move. See, if you take a look at this to be a loss and this to be a correction, and this is a loss again, and you will see this to be a correction. So you can see that it is around this level here. So what we are expecting in the long run on AUD USD is actually another drop. So definitely maybe in 5, 6 or 7 months time, this loss should be taken out. That means another loss should be made. So in the long run, AUD USD will definitely give us a bearish move. So we should be expecting more and more drop on AUD USD. Now, before I actually continue, if you are yet to become a Patreon subscriber of mine, actually click on this, check the comment section. You will see a link that will lead you to my Patreon channel. What I intend to do there is put out high probability trade that we have higher chances of winning, right? And I'm also going to put a link to a playlist of trade we've traded so far, so you can also watch. If you're interested, I'm also going to put the link in the comment section. Like I just said, with just 20 USD, you'll be able to get an update from me, and we'll be able to make a lot trade with me. So back to this my analysis on AUDUSD. Like I said, in the long run, we will be expecting a down movement. Now let's go to the weekly time frame, so you can see that this price has actually been dropping, right? So when you see this movement, right, you see that this price has dropped. So this that I see here is a bit of a correction. What I am expecting, or what we should watch out for, as I will say, is another drop. So literally, AUDUSD, we should be expecting a bearish move. So this next level, I want you guys to actually watch out for, which is a level of 0.67888. Like I said, I'll call the number again, 0.67888. This is the level that I am watching out for. So from this level we currently are to this level, I am predicting or watching out for, that is about 130 pips. We can even possibly break below this level, but grabbing 130 pips on AUD USD for this week is actually not bad. It is still okay, right? So if you can grab about 100 pips, it just depends on the lot size you use. Well, 100 pips is still not bad, it is still okay. So 130 pips for this week. Downward to the daily time frame, you can see that this price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average. Price has now broken above our below the 10 period simple moving average. At first, we have been trading above it. You can see it. Once price break below it a little bit, it will actually correct itself and go bullish. We can see that it broke below it a little bit. Price corrected itself and go bullish. But when you take a look at this movement here, once price broke below it, we had a pullback that came to test this 10 period simple moving average. Now price is now dropping. So that is an indication that this is a drop. So expect a bearish move for this week on AUD/USD. By the way, if you become my Patreon subscriber, I'm going to give you an update right on some important key levels, and if there's a better setup, I'm going to give it to you so you can actually trade. By the way, so more drop is to be made on AUD USD. Now down to the 4-hour time frame. First, we have to take out this lows on the 4-hour time frame. You see this low here. We will take it out when AUD USD drops. Then a mini pullback will be made, and then another final drop to this our level that I just talked about. So guys, a bearish move for this week on AUD USD.